Hello Concordia student. As you know, Tet or Chinese New Year or Lunar New Year is coming, and as part of the fun, I am going to show you how to make a dragon puppet. So, in order to make this puppet, you will need these supplies. You can choose a few color paper of your choice. For me, I chose black, red, and orange because this is the color of Tet. Actually, yellow would do too, but because I don't have yellow, I would use orange and a white piece of paper as well. Also, I need 2 popsicle sticks, some color pencils or markers. I also chose yellow and red because again they are the color of Tet. I need scissors, glue stick, and tape. First step, we need to prepare the head and the tail of the dragon. The easiest way to do it is to go to the internet and search for a template. Then you can print and color. However, I like to draw my own dragon head and tail, so I am going to show you a simple way to draw a dragon. First, I'm going to sketch it with a pencil. I'm gonna trace the tail after I already sketched with pencil. For the tail, it kind of looked like fire, a flame actually. So you can go like this, quite simple. We're gonna cut this out later on, so it doesn't matter if it's a little bit close to the head. And then there's its inside layer of the tail. Okay, and then I would go ahead and color the tail with the same color tone: red, yellow, orange. And you can guess the next step is to cut this head and the tail out. So go ahead and do that. So here is my head and the tail for the dragon, and I'm gonna put these aside and start making the body. The dragon body would have many layers of scales, so the idea is to use this 3 color paper and create that effect of layering. Alright, so what I need is a pencil and my hand. What I'm gonna do is I am going to trace my hand on this paper. Alright, so just put my hand on the paper and then trace around it. Make sure there's some space between your fingers so that your dragon would look more natural. Okay, and then just simply cut this off. So what I did was I made 6 hand shapes, 2 for each color, so that I can use them to create the layering of the scales. Now the next step is to put them together using glue. Before gluing, I just put all the parts together so I know how the whole thing is gonna look like. And as you can see, the body of the dragon is supposed to be smooth, and I want to show that it's flying, so I make sure there's a wavy pattern here, and I make sure I put different color next to each other so that the layering looks more natural. And now I'm just gonna use glue and put this together. I noticed that I should only put glue on the 3 fingers in the middle, because that is the part that is overlapping when we put them together. So see, I don't need to put glue on the whole thing, just this 3 finger here, and then press. This is the last one. Also 3 fingers in the middle, that would do it. Okay. And the tail will be the last part. Just put some glue on these 2 fingers. There you go. So this is how it looks after you put all of them together. Okay. And now for the stick, this is for you to handle the puppet. Just simply use tape and put them behind. I hope you had fun making and playing with this puppet. And Happy New Year to you. Chúc mừng năm mới.